Here we are, DFW Campers. This is a new Chevrolet Z71 Silverado. Just put a SNUGLid bed cover on it. We put actuators on it that automatically open and close the snug top bed cover. Here's a switch in the cab here. Push and release, and the bed cover opens up. Dual linear actuators here and one here. Put timers on the actuators, so push and release the button and the lid closes on its own. You see the lid is closing. The actuators hold it down and locked and secure. Snug top bed cover.